Hey Pacers!
Hi!
Today is February 19th and here we are again, continuing the countdown to Pacie's
birthday!
Alright Pacie, which window are you going to open today?
This way.
That one? Okay, let's go.
Do you remember how many I'm going to open today?
Maybe I'll let you open 2 today.
Hold on. Yeah.
Who is that?
Oh, his helmet's blue.
Blue?
Hold it. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Who do we get? Who do we get?
Slow down, calm down.
I think I need a pair of scissors.
You need a pair of scissors? Alright, here comes Mommy. Clutch.
Clutch? What's the word clutch mean?
Like rescuing you. Coming in clutch. Oh, it's okay. Whoa!
He did a double jump. Who did we?
Let me see. Show your Pacers first.
He has a purple helmet. I mean,
Ooh,
new helmet.
and eyeglass protectors. Okay. Let's
there
see.
he is.
Oh,
Over
look. He's right here.
Oh, he's over here.
No, he's over here.
Oh.
Kentucky.
It sounds like Kumbucky.
Kenbucky. What? What does it sound like?
Kumbunky.
Kenbucky. You're so silly.
Let's play with the crew.
Yep, he's hanging out with his twins there. Cool.
Except there's 2 people who are not twins. 1, 2.
Oh yeah, that's true. All right, you can open 1 more today, and that's it. Okay, which window? You're gonna stick with this pack?
Yeah. What? Who did I get? Yeah, maybe she or he gotta have a top window. What did I get? Don't look at the name of the cap.
What?
Because that might be cheating.
There's the scissors again. Oh, you got it? All right, cool.
Don't look at the
Show it to Pacers.
Fine.
Ooh, Iowa. We can't get this one wrong. Cute.
Why? Because it has the name on it?
Yes, and look at those cute little overalls. You like them, Pace? Ah, your brother's overalls. Alrighty, friends. Anything else you want to tell your Pacers before we go?
Do you know which one I'm really hoping for?
What?
Well, it's 3 kind I really want. One from Mexico, from New Mexico. Another one from Oklahoma.
And then New York.
And oh, there's one more. Sorry.
And what else? Oh yeah, the ultra rare.
And here's it. So
Alrighty.
that might be 5 I want.
Alrighty, friends.
Thanks everyone watching my video. Bye bye. This is like and subscribe.